Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Monday, February 4th, 2014. It's now 2:22 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were up, but finished well off of their highs for the day. To me, it seems that this bearishness has quite a ways to go yet. The S&P closed up. Price seems to be bouncing off of the lower edge of the uptrend channel. Price continues in the bullish uptrend channel for now. Support is at 1723 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 1887 as seen by the pink oval. The US dollar was up slightly, but it remains in the downtrend channel. The US dollar has not chosen a direction yet. Support is at 21.32 as seen by the green oval, and resistance is at 21.96 as seen by the pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, February 4th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There's one strong currency and one weak currency. So there's one qualified pair. This is the Euro-Japanese Yen. Here's our monthly trade analysis chart. For open trades, the US Canadian dollar trade remains open, and we're long 6 micros at 1.1187. Target number 1 is 1.1267, and our stop loss remains at 1.1021. No new orders were placed today. Our one qualified pair today is the Euro-Yen. Here's the price chart. This would be a bearish trade. It's in a short-term downtrend channel. However, we didn't place a trade on it because the stop loss would be over 500 pips away. There were a couple Forex pairs that moved quite a bit yesterday. The first one is the Aussie Canadian dollar. You can see it's in a short-term uptrend channel, and yesterday it moved over 200 pips. Another pair that moved quite a bit yesterday is the pound Aussie dollar. As you can see, it moved over 400 pips. Let's also look at a couple of the more popular Forex pairs to trade. Here's the Euro US dollar. As you can see, it's in a short-term downtrend channel. Here's the US dollar yen. It's in a short-term downtrend channel. And here's the price chart for our open trade on the US Canadian dollar. We're still long 6 micros at 1.1187, and target number 1 is at 1.1267. Our stop loss is at 1.1021. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please listen to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request a free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Selecting a Financial Instrument to Trade. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.